Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Our first topic is what is physics? Introduce physics. Also discuss role, contribution, importance, or need of physics, and different branches of technologies. So first of all, we introduce physics. We define physics. So physics can be defined as that branch of science in which we study about matter properties, in physical properties of matter. In chemistry, we study chemical properties of matter, energies and their mutual relationship is called physics. Also, physics can be defined as that branch of science in which we study about the physical quantities and all measurements of physical quantities. Now, in this definition, the basic thing is the mutual relationship between physical properties of matter and energies. So from famous equation of Einstein, E equal to mc square, in which E is the energy, m is the mass, and c is the speed of light, which is the constant value 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second in air or vacuum. So according to this equation, energy can be transformed into mass and mass can be transformed into energy, but they are not similar quantities. One is energy and the other one is mass. Both are different physical quantities, but they can be transformed into each other. Physics plays a very important role in various branches of technologies. First one, medical technology. In medical technology, we use ultrasound to detect kidney stone. Similarly, MRI, which is the abbreviation of magnetic resonance imaging, CT scan, computer tomography scan. Both are performed for brain, which is preferred by a doctor, but both uses different phenomena. One is the magnetic resonance and the other one is the computer tomography. With the help of computer, we take images. Similarly, X-rays, which are used for bone fractures. These are all the contributions of physics or the need of medical technology, and they were introduced by physics. They were invented by physics. Another one technology branch, information technology, IT, a very familiar basic branch of technology. Is due to physics, computer is introduced, having different applications which are used by us for different purposes, and also take advantage of computer networks, LAN, local area network, and wide area network, which is WAN. So the computer networks are with the help of through internet. Similarly, mobile phones are the also contribution of physics, because they use transistor, diodes, resistors, capacitors, inductors, etc., and they are introduced by physics. The mobile phone is also known as the miniature computer because it possesses a screen, keyboard, a CPU, RAM, ROM. Due to them, we can obtain remote information of our beloved ones. Hence, we can say that due to physics, our world become a global village. What is a global village? A well-informed and a well-connected world is called global village. This other one, the third one, technology, branch of technology, agriculture technology. In today's world, we use different types of seeds and different types of plants which are introduced by agriculture laboratories, researches. They uses the radioisotopes, and that radioisotope they use which is radioactive. For example, phosphorus are used by plants as a food supplement. So they use that isotope of phosphorus which is radioactive and which can be detected when it travels through the body of the plant, when it utilizes by the plant. So they trace them and do their research. Similarly, another one technology is the geodating, earth dating. In geodating, geologists perform carbon dating to give dates to the rocks, to the earth. Carbon dating Again, radioisotope. Archaeology dating. To give date to ancient antiques, they perform carbon dating by taking advantage of radioisotopes, which is due to physics. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.